Molweni bafundi, my work video 4, and we are going to look at working in a bank. Umsebenzi wam ebhankeni. And we read as follows. Zininzi ibhanka apha eBhayi. There are many banks here in Port Elizabeth. Kukho, or ikhona you could have too. FNB, iABSA, iStandard, iNedbank, iCapitec, njalo njalo. There are the following banks as mentioned. Zonke ibhanka zinamasebe. They have branches. Ndiphangela FNB. Isebe lam, my branch, lisewoma, litsha, it is big, or rather it is new, likhulu, it is big. Baninzi abantu abaphangela apha. The people who work here, baninzi, they are many. Bonwabile, they are happy, they are contented, satisfied. Why? Because bati imali ilungile, they say the money is okay. Nam ndonwabile, I too am contented or happy. Kodwa andithandi kusebenza kuphangela ngomgqibelo. Ibhanka zivulwe yonke imihla. They are open every day. Yonke imihla, useful phrase. Kodwa ziyavala ngecawa. But they are closed on a Sunday. Isebe lam livula ngo-9 kusasa. My bank, my branch opens at 9 in the morning. Livale and closes. Take note of the E ending there, and also the translation. And closes at 15:30. Emva kwedinala. Ngomgqibelo sivala ngo-11. On a Saturday we close at 11. Zonke ibhanka zifuna ukutsala, to attract, to pull people. Ngoko, and so therefore, ziya kupisana. Kupisana is to compete with one another. Ngenzala, with regards to the inzala, the interest. Or ngezinga lenzala, with regards to the izinga lenzala, the interest rate. Izinga lenzala, the interest rate, liphezulu ngoku, is high at the moment. In fact, 16%, it is 16%. Bonke abantu batsala nzima, and it is possibly better isiXhosa to say wonke umntu utsala nzima. The translation being everyone, all the people or everyone. Tsala nzima. Tsala is to pull, nzima heavily, so to pull heavily or to struggle. Ngoko, and so therefore, bafuna, they want ukuboleka imali. Boleka, to borrow. Ndiyabaxelela, I tell them, ukuba, that kulula, it is easy, ukuboleka imali, to borrow money. Kodwa kunzima, it is difficult, ukuyibuyisa, to repay it or to return it. Ngenxa yenzala. Ngenxa yenzala, because of the interest. Okay, and this is made up of ngenxa, ya plus inzala, and that I combination, as we know, becomes ye. bathi abanakunceda. They say they cannot help it, they have no alternative. Akukho mali, there is no money yokuthenga ukutya, to buy food, gogo, and so therefore kufuneka baboleke. Again we have the e ending this time because of the use of kufuneka, and we've mentioned this before. Mna ndiyithela, I am a teller, and ndiyawuthanda umsebenzi wam, I like it, namely my work. Ndiyabanceda abantu, I assist the people, I assist them, the people. Xa befuna, when they want, ukukhupha, to literally to take out or to withdraw, okanye ukudeposita imali. Okay, so xa befuna, and this is something that we will be discussing in module 3, video 8, namely that after xa, meaning when, the usual ba for they becomes be. As I said, that is something for a later module to be discussed in detail. And furthermore, xa umntu efuna ukudeposita imali, when a person wants to deposit money, kufuneka azalise or afilishe isilipu. So by the same token, xa, when followed by the link for a person, which should be u, we notice here that it becomes e, again a part of module 3 video 8. And again kufuneka azalise, that is the e ending following e ending of the verb once or when kufuneka is used. Abantu bangakhupha imali, people can withdraw money ecountereni, at the counter, kodwa bakhetha, they prefer ukukhupha or ukutsala, khupha literally to take out, tsala to pull, kwi ATM phandle, at the ATM outside. And as I say in this little block, you can see, take note that we have xa befuna and not xa bafuna, and by the same token xa efuna and not xa ufuna, when it's he or she who wants to do something. Okay, so that concludes this little video, and we will be taking it further in the next. Enkosi kakhulu bafundi, sobonana ke ne.